This is Mediterranean saffron seafood rice, finished with shrimp, clams, mussels, and calamari. Flavors shaped by the sun and the sea. Hi, I'm Marty. Welcome to Marty's Herbie Kitchen. It begins with the shells, drawing out a broth that will carry everything forward. Onion, garlic, and freshly grated tomato. Grating the tomatoes keeps everything fresh so that the saffron and the seafood can really shine. The rice goes in and begins to take on all of it. A splash of wine and the entire kitchen fills with aroma. The wine loosens everything and now the rice begins to absorb it. Now we cover and let it come together. The saffron brings its color and its unmistakable flavor. The calamari and the shrimp, they get layered gently into the rice. Now we let everything cook together so that the seafood can take on the flavor of the saffron and the rice can fully finish cooking. Then the mussels and clams get nestled in while everything is still steaming. Lemon wedges get tucked in beside them, warming them gently and so their juice loosens and turns them softer and sweeter. A final cover just long enough for everything to come together. And then it's ready. Bring it to the table while it's still steaming. It's meant to be shared while your evening settles in. This is Simple Luxury. Thanks for joining me this evening. I'll see you at the next table.